Hello and welcome. This is a guided progressive muscle relaxation based on the method of Dr. Edmund Jacobson, a practice that helps your body release built-up tension, calm your nervous system, and invite deeper sleep. Find a quiet place to lie down or sit comfortably. Let your hands rest loosely. Close your eyes and take a slow breath in through the nose and exhale gently through the mouth. With each breath, let yourself arrive here fully present, calm, and safe. Before we begin, remember, this technique works by tensing each muscle group, holding briefly, and then letting go completely. Never strain. This is not exercise. It's awareness through gentle contrast. Now, let's begin. Bring your attention to your feet. Curl your toes down gently, but firmly. Feel the tension build in your arches and toes. And now, release. Notice the warmth and the heaviness spreading through your feet. Move to your calves. Point your toes upward, tightening your lower legs. Feel the muscles contract. And release, letting go completely. Feel the difference between tension and ease. Now focus on your thighs. Press them together lightly, engaging the muscles. And release. Bring awareness to your hips and glutes. Squeeze gently, noticing how the muscles firm. and let go. Feel the lower body softening. Feel your body sinking into the mat. Feel how the earth supports you. Now, move to your belly. Pull your navel slightly toward your spine, feeling the contraction in your abdomen. And release. Allow the breath to expand freely again. Bring awareness to your lower back. Imagine warmth flowing there as you breathe deeply. There is nothing to fix, nothing to hold, just letting go. Now, your chest. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. Hold it gently. And exhale. Let the chest drop, releasing the weight of the day. Now move to your shoulders. Lift them slightly toward your ears. Feel the tightness. And release. Let them fall naturally. Sense the wave of relaxation spreading through your upper body. Focus now on your arms. tighten your biceps by bending your elbows slightly. And release. Feel the heaviness return. Now your hands make gentle fists, but not too tight. And let go. Notice the tingling as the muscles soften and blood flows freely again. Bring awareness to your neck. Press your head very lightly against the surface beneath you, just enough to feel the muscles activate. And release. Feel your neck lengthen and relax. Now, your face, gently tighten your forehead. Close your eyes a bit stronger. Press your lips together. And release. Let your jaw drop slightly open. Feel the stillness, the softness spreading across your whole face. Now bring your attention to the entire body. From your feet to your face, everything calm and open. Feel your body sinking deeper into the mat, heavy yet free. With each breath, you are teaching your body how to let go. there is peace in every exhale. Begin to bring gentle movement back into your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Slowly rotate your wrists and ankles. Take a deeper breath now, fuller, brighter. Feel refreshed, clear, and grounded. When you're ready, open your eyes softly. Take a moment to notice how light and calm your body feels. You've just completed a full, progressive muscle relaxation, an anciently inspired yet clinically proven way to calm the nervous system. Practice this daily to release tension and improve your sleep quality. If you'd like to support more free, mindful sessions, you can visit link in description. And if you enjoyed this session, please subscribe and allow yourself to return here anytime you need peace.